Starting a Shopify store in Pakistan is easy and affordable. Just follow the steps that I will tell you in this video and you're gonna rock. Welcome to Knowledge Builder. Hit the red bell icon and subscribe to my channel for latest videos. My name is Saad. How to start a Shopify store in Pakistan. What is Shopify? Shopify is one of the leading e-commerce platforms on the internet today, mainly due to its simplicity, speed, app ecosystem, pricing, and unparalleled customer service. It is a SaaS, software as a service, for e-commerce that allows anyone to run their online store without needing to purchase web hosting, coding skills, or installing unwieldy softwares. What you need to get started. In order to start a Shopify store in Pakistan, you only need the following. Domain name, optional but recommended. Shopify subscription. Payment gateway or COD courier service. Registering a domain name isn't mandatory, however, your Shopify store's URL will look like yourstername.myshopify.com. An e-commerce store hosted on Shopify's subdomain will always raise a red flag among visitors. You're better off investing in a domain name from the get-go. Register a domain name. .com domain name. If you decide to go with a .com TLD, I'd suggest getting one from NameSilo, which costs less than $10 per year. However, you may choose any other registrar such as Namekeep, Internets, or GoDaddy. It's totally up to you. .pk domain name. If you want a .pk domain name for your store, head over to PKNIC and get it registered. The minimum registration period for a .pk name is 2 years, which is truly a bummer as other TLDs do not have this requirement. Shopify Pakistan. Once you have registered a domain name, it's now time to get into the juicy part of your e-commerce journey, that is Shopify. Setting up a Shopify store in Pakistan is relatively easy as compared to WooCommerce or other e-commerce platforms. Shopify offers a free 14-day trial so you can test the waters and get an overview of how it works without spending a dime. Enter your email address and complete the sign-up process to access your Shopify store. It should take less than 2 minutes to do so. Once your free trial is over, you will need to upgrade to a paid plan. The basic plan starts at $29 MO. Don't choose other expensive plans that cost $79 MO and above. The basic plan will suffice. Connect your domain name. Once you have completed the sign-up process, you will be taken to your Shopify dashboard. The first thing you need to do is connect your domain name to Shopify. You can do that by clicking on the Add Domain button. Choose the Connect an Existing Domain option on the page and enter the domain name you would like to connect. Click the Follow Settings Instructions button to read instructions on how to connect your domain to Shopify. If you bought a .pk name from PKNIC, this process could be a little cumbersome as .pk is officially not supported by Shopify. You can read my article on how to connect .pk domain name to Shopify. Choose a theme. Don't spend money on paid themes. Period. Shopify has some of the most beautiful themes and they're free. I tend to stay away from paid themes as the free themes provided by Shopify are responsive, fast, and look elegant. On top of that, they're optimized for conversions, which is what you need to focus on the most. 2 of my favorite themes are Dawn and Sense. Add your first product. When one of my friends asked me how to start a Shopify store in Pakistan, I said, you should decide what type of product you want to promote before setting up a store. The reason why most e-commerce sellers and dropshippers fail is because they don't have a product roadmap. Make sure that you know what you want to sell and try to create a niche store, as it converts better than a general store, unless you're Amazon. Type the product name and title and enter description in the description text box. You need to highlight the benefits of your product. If it's a clothing product like I used in my example above, please add a size chart. Upload images under the media section, add price and change the product status from draft to active to make the listing public. I hope that you are liking my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Shopify apps. Vitals. Vitals is an all-in-one app that saves time, money, and keeps your Shopify store clutter-free. It comes with apps such as product reviews, upsells, visitor replays, currency converter, countdown timer, sticky ATC button, and more. Reamaze. Customer service should be your top priority, especially if you're running a Shopify e-commerce store in Pakistan. Reamaze is a helpdesk that unifies email, live chat, chatbot, and FAQ for stores. MailerLite. There's a saying in the internet marketing world that the money is in the list. It baffles me that so many people running Shopify stores in Pakistan do not bat an eye at email marketing. Payment gateway. To checkout. 2Checkout is one of the oldest and trusted payment methods worldwide. It accepts merchants from Pakistan and has a flexible payout structure that varies based on the volume of sales. A number of Pakistani merchants use them without any issues. The only downside is their processing fee, which can go up to 8% for new users. Checkout.com. Checkout.com is a different company and has no affiliations with 2Checkout.com, albeit their names are quite similar. I've been using Checkout.com for the past 3 years for my international stores, and I have nothing but praises for it. Timely payouts, dedicated account manager, less failed transactions, and a fairly reasonable processing fee. I pay 3.9% plus 0.30% on every successful transaction, and the rates may vary for you. Trax, COD. Cash on delivery service is what majority of the people and merchants use in Pakistan. Trax is one of the leading COD logistics services in Pakistan, and I've had a good experience working with them for almost a year. Trax offers next-day payouts, delivery reattempts, and an easy-to-use Shopify app to sync orders automatically. This is the only COD logistics service I've used in the past and would definitely vouch for them. Conclusion. To conclude, we've learned how to start a Shopify store in Pakistan. All you need is a domain name, a Shopify subscription, a payment gateway, and you're good to go. Your success will heavily depend on the product and advertising platforms you use to get traffic to your store. Thank you for watching. Please connect with my channel.